Hey guys, follow me. Hey sister, get up. Look what I have.
Wow!
Hey guys, we're 6 o'clock sisters.
And today we continue our Christmas unboxing with extra super cute Lost Kitties!
We have here 2 multi-packs inside glamorous cartons of milk with 5 kitties in each.
A special guest for this episode.
Yeah. Let's open.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's reveal first one. Take it.
These cats are hidden inside boxes with special stickers and surprise.
In every section we have very
Very
plastic compound module. And in every section we have sticker, kitten and surprise, yeah?
Yeah.
For one. Oh, headphones for kitten. Do you have sticker? Yes,
Yeah.
we have sticker.
2 stickers. Two stickers. On sticker we see which cat we have.
And then point them out in special checklist, which we have here. Let me see. We have 2 super cute kitties. First one is Max Lex. Awesome. And Sandy. Let's reveal them. Open this one.
Okay. Open.
And I will open this one. Yeah, I have Sandy.
Oh, super cute.
It looks like a yoga cat, you know. And we have for them special accessories. I think these headphones is his. And this ice cream, let me help you.
Thank you.
Ava. And this we have Max Lex. Dazzling. Okay, let's reveal next one.
Yes.
This plasticine is extremely soft. Right here we have chocolate plasticine. And I will open the stickers.
Ooh.
I think it will be cool if you can...
Look.
all these accessories. What it is? Cell phone? Oh no, it's calculator. First, I want to see which cats we have. Let's put it here. Don't need
Stickers.
Oh, let's clean them out. Oh, we have cat in the box. It's QB. Yeah, it's QB. Let me point. I don't know. I think QB is the boy. And it's only one sticker and only one cat. Where it is? Let's open him. Can you help me? Maybe you try. Hands are a bit dirty after this plasticine.
No.
And we can't open our kitty in the box. Whoa!
Yeah. Ooh, pretty.
Very cool. This kiwi. I read somewhere that cats in the box are rather rare. And let's open this pink one. I like this bright pink color.
Me too.
We're pink girls.
Let's
Open this plasticine.
Yeah. So.
It is very soft and feels like slime. Yeah?
Yeah.
We have
Look.
special surprise. I don't know what it is. Let's clean it out. Ah, it looks like a present.
Yeah.
Yes, it is present.
Look.
It has a very dirty aftertaste.
Look.
Find a sticker. I like to see a sticker first.
Sticker.
And point it out in our checklist and then review.
Sticker.
Let's clean the sticker. Okay, we see our pink cat. Minch. I think it's Munch. And we have our cat. Don't give me this plasticine. I can't open after these boxes. No. Yes, we reveal our cat. Wow. So fat. Fat cat. And it's our fourth cat. And we have one box more. Whoa, pink with some, it's maybe a yogurt. Yeah?
Yeah. It is.
Open it. Let me help you.
Oh. Thank you.
No? Throw it away.
Oh, wow, super. We have accessory. It's camera.
Yeah, purple camera for our kitty. Oh, one more accessory. I think it's bowl for the cat. Ah, no, I'm sorry. It's clock.
Huh?
It's clock. If you look so, it seems like a bowl for a cat, but it's alarm clock. We have very dirty area here. Give me a sticker.
Sticker.
Okay. What we have on this time? I think. Oh my God! We have a rare hide and seek. Hide and seek. A kitty playing hide and seek. Very popular game. Hide and seek. He was named after a very popular game, and we will see him right now. It's glitter, glitter red. Hide and seek.
Wow. Awesome
glitter cat. We have glitter eyes and lips today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, we have glitter eyes and lips and glitter cat.
We have 4 yogurts here with more surprises for our kitties.
I will give you 2.
Okay.
Second one, and I will open 2.
Look.
What we have there? It's cat for our kitty.
Okay.
It's pink or red? I can't understand. Rather red
I
or
don't
pink?
know.
I think red.
Red.
And I have a watch.
Watch. Super.
We have alarm clock and watch. And in my secret surprise, I have. 1 second. What? And what it is? I have claw sharpener here. Pink. Oh yeah, they like that. Stitch the claws. And what you have?
I have Halloween pumpkin It's
Oh, blue pumpkin here for Halloween surprises and parties. Okay, we're ready with our collection, and now we have a special collector bag.
Wow.
For collectors. We hope you like our collection. Write in comments which kitties from Lost Kitties series 2 you have, and
Give likes.
subscribe, and
Bye.